YouTube? It's your boy 1LT Vaughn here. I got my boy Monte with me. He gonna be helping me install the Louvers this morning. They just came into the mail, but we had to bring it in because, as you guys can tell, it's pretty wet out here, so we didn't want the box to get soaked. So normally I like to start the day off with a cup of coffee. So we're gonna head to the store, get some cup of coffee, then we're gonna jump right into it. Let's get it. It's literally around the corner. And there's our 7-Eleven. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Rip it.
Lucky. Woo, in all their glory. We are back at the house, about to get ready to install the Louvers that I got right here. Pad. You want to make sure you have your bracket right here. This thing's gonna go on the back of here. You're gonna put your 3M tape, which is this. You're gonna put it on the back of here. Use this first to wipe this down. Go ahead, put the 3M tape on here, and then you insert it in these little holes right here. Go ahead and knock out those first, and then once we get those all installed, we'll show you guys, where we're at. Let's get it. Giving you guys a quick update. So we went ahead and installed all the brackets, went ahead and put on the 3M tape. Now we're just peeling these back, giving them some dog ears. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my back window here, get ready to install it, so stay tuned. Me and Monte got the Louvers on. We're just finishing up the last part, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looked like. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. First YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out my boy Monte for helping me. Where you at? Somewhere over there. But yeah, you guys stay tuned for more content coming pretty soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let's go.